Hi, everybody. It is going to be the week of November 7th, and this is News and Notes. So, I just want to take a quick run through Blackboard to get you started for the week and to share what is happening. So, you are now entering Module 4, which means we're taking the turn to the second half of the class. Can you even believe how fast that is? That is amazingly crazy. So once we make that turn, we leave behind DeWitt and we move forward into a really good book that is written by some of the experts in the field as the principal as a curriculum leader. And it really focuses on curriculum that is taught and tested and how that works. And so we use the text as well as lots of other resources to be a springboard as you design your major project for the instructional leadership second half of the course, the action plan. So this week you will be looking at 3 different chapters of the book, and well as articles and a really interesting video that has assistant principals as instructional leaders. And it's a webcast, and I think you'll just find it fascinating. Those of you that are aspiring to become a principal soon will really appreciate their insight. We do have some really good supplemental readings and resources, including discussion protocols, teacher evals, and some classroom strategies from the Cult of Pedagogy, which love her. If you are not connected to her, go to her website and subscribe. Okay, so you're going to continue with the instructional leaders learning log, the discussion board, and you'll get into the proposal. So the proposal of the school improvement action plan is going to be where you let me know which academic instructional need you are going to focus on for your school based on the data. So you're going to consider your program logic models that you worked on through modules 1 to 3, and then the plan must be directly related to curriculum, instruction, or assessment. So I give you some examples there. It cannot be taken directly from an action plan that's already been developed at your school. You can certainly address an area for growth that's been discussed or identified, of course. You wouldn't just pull something out of the sky that doesn't make any sense for your school. And we want the project to be relevant, so please feel free to use the data that already exists at your school. You will not be creating new data, but you will be collecting it. And you're going to create SMART goals and a vision for this project. You will submit your proposal, and it is based on a document there that you will complete. And you will submit it, and then you may be asked to revise it. Please don't be surprised or upset if I ask you to revise it. Occasionally, the topic does not meet the requirements of the school improvement action plan, so might ask you to revise it in that case. The final project is going to be an action plan narrative and a presentation that you'll be sharing with stakeholders. So the proposal actually introduces the first 4 sections of the plan, so it's very important. Then you will do your lesson observation and analysis at the elementary level. There will be a secondary level evaluation and observation later in the course. I think that you will enjoy this. I'm going to ask you to watch a video of a 3rd grade reading whole group lesson. You will follow the analysis template, and you will be acting as if you are in the class, looking at the teaching and learning that occurs. So very excited for you to have this opportunity. And at the very end, you will write the teacher a formal letter containing positive feedback and constructive suggestions that you would provide as the instructional leader. Those of you that are instructional coaches, you will absolutely be familiar with this type of work, and you do it quite often. And I'm just so excited to see the insights that I know you will provide to this video. Those of you that haven't had the opportunity, you may have received a similar letter to this. It's when someone is providing you analysis of your work and more of an informal, positive and constructive feedback more than a teacher evaluation, which usually just has different weight put to it. So please take a look at this and enjoy that experience. If you have questions, please don't hesitate to reach out to me directly. I sometimes forget to check this questions forum. I'm so sorry. I will try to do that. I'm so sorry. There's some excitement at the house, and we've got some text messages coming in. But anyway, I'm just thrilled and to be your teacher, professor during this time, and I'm so sorry. I'm just thrilled to be your instructor. I've loved reading your work, and I'm looking forward to getting out more assignments to you tonight and tomorrow. So, thank you so much, and have a fantastic and fabulous week.